on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, bringing you guys another video today. So in today's video we're going to be speaking about 5 different things that I dislike about my 440i. So honestly, it was really hard to pick 5 things that I disliked about the car. Like, you really have to force me to like think about it. But if I was forced like to say 5 things that I dislike, these are going to be the 5 things that I dislike. So let's go. Alright guys, so first on my list is probably going to be Apple CarPlay. When I'm connected to my phone and listening to music, I can't record anything on Snapchat. Like, if I try to record, like, you know, I'm like on a scenic route and I'm like trying to record like just the view while playing music, it's just horrible. I think even without the music, it just doesn't let me record. It freezes, the music is off, it's just weird, and I really hate that about Apple CarPlay. But you know, you just have to live with it. And another thing about the Apple CarPlay on my car is so basically it's not a full screen, which I really hate. Like, I wish it was, so you see this right side, like half the screen just says Noah's, or Apple CarPlay Noah's iPhone. You know, I wish it was the whole screen. Like, this part was just the whole screen. Kind of sucks, but you know, what can you do? At least I have Apple CarPlay, thank God. But yeah, that'll be my first on my list. For number 2 on my list, it's probably going to be the diffuser. I have the M Sport model of my car, and I feel like the diffuser should have been way more sporty. Like, if you guys could look at it real quick, as you guys can see, it's just gray and doesn't look really sporty at all. I wish it had like slits in the middle, and I know they have an upgrade for it, but I feel like because it's an M Sport, that should have came with the car like from the beginning. And I know there's a few upgrades you could do, and I'm probably gonna do it in the near future, but for now, this is another thing that I don't like about my car. Okay, so for number 3 on my list, it's probably gonna be these orange reflectors. Let me show it to you guys real quick. Honestly, don't know why they even have these in orange. I have the blacked out package, so I have the black grills, and then the black window trim. Everything is blacked out on my car, and that orange reflector just looks really weird. And I'm probably gonna, I think they sell some smoked out versions of it, or maybe I could just tint over it. But yeah, that's gonna be the 3rd thing I dislike about my car. And then for number 4 on my list, it's probably gonna be the ride height. Honestly, this car doesn't sit too high, but I just wish the ride height was a little bit lower. So let me show it to you guys real quick. So if you guys can see, I could fit like my whole hand in there. It's just, it's not the best. Like, it's sitting like a monster truck. That's the rear. I'll show you guys the front real quick. The front isn't as bad, but still, I just wish it was a little bit lower. Might have to get some lowering springs or coilovers, but yeah, that's gonna be number 4 on my list. Alright guys, so for the 5th and final thing on my list that I dislike about my 440, it's probably going to be the comfort access. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about real quick. So basically, I have the Grand Coupe and not the Coupe. So I guess when they added the 2 extra doors, they didn't add the comfort access in the back, because I had a 5 Series before this, and they had the comfort access on the front and rear doors, which these don't. So if I go to put my hand here and try to open it, it doesn't open. And that's not the only thing. So when I open this, unlock the car, it only unlocks this door. So let's say I have a backpack in my hand and I'm trying to put it in the rear seat, this won't open. It basically forces me to get in the car, click the unlock button, then come back out, just so I could put something in the rear seat, or even just open up the door so somebody could sit in the back. But yeah, it kind of sucks. You know, it defeats the purpose of like comfort access, because I'm not gonna sit in my car and click the unlock button. That's too much work. I'd rather just like pull out my key and unlock the car. But yeah, it just defeats the purpose of comfort access. It does it on both sides. I just wish when you did this, it unlocked all the doors. Maybe you could cut it in, but I don't know. But for now, that's the fifth and final thing, and probably the most noticeable thing for me. Like, that's one thing that like I noticed right away when I bought the car. I was like, damn, this sucks. But yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. 5 little things that I dislike about my car. Nothing too crazy. I love my car, don't get me wrong, and I'm gonna make another video about 5 things I love about my car. There's more than 5 things, trust me, but I'll try to break it down to 5 things. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out.